Welcome back, Brett here with Clickmill. In this video, we're going to talk about search type. Okay, so when I come here, I am selecting the search type, and you'll see I have images, so I can see how I'm ranking with my images. Now, I have not keyword targeted, my team and I have not keyword targeted our images on the site, on this site, Clickmill, yet. So if I go here, my guess is we're probably not ranking very good. And you can see that's the case. Now, the average rank here is 59 for images, which is not good. You'll see over here it's 70. You will see we did actually get a bump up to 36 here. Now, why is that? Well, we started keyword targeting them as we put them into the site, but we have yet to go back and keyword target all of them. So this is the average rank for all of those images across the whole site. But if we looked, some of them would be ranking really well and others would not be ranking at all. So with that, this is again, we just identified here an opportunity for the Clickmill website to rank much, much better. And you'll see what I'm talking about here. If I come to search terms, powerful sermon topics ranks 5.6 because we actually keyword targeted that. But then we've got some other ones that are ranking super low because they're probably not even targeted, or they're on images that don't fit the search. So this is an example of images. You can, of course, do this for videos, news, and anything else. So with that, we're going to go and we're primarily going to focus in web. Once you know how to do this for web, you can do it for anything. So we're going to go ahead and switch back over to web here. And we're going to continue in the next video. We're going to get into date and looking at time frames to solve issues. So we will see you there in the next video.